Hey, this is Jaylene from La Sirena Design and Marketing, and this week's design shout out is going to this cute little package from Wild Ophelia. There was a chocolate bar inside of here, but I ate it because this chocolate was really good too. I love cutouts, so I thought it was great, especially like on packaging. I don't know, anywhere actually. I love a good cutout, and it's nice to be able to see the actual product, especially when it's food, I feel like. Or I love it when they do it, when they package, like, I don't know, like toys or sleeping bags or things, and they put a cutout in it and you can actually like touch it. I'm a very tactile person, so that might be why. And I am also a huge fan of metallic print, so you can kind of see on here that nice shiny metallic print. I always want to do projects that will let me put some metallic print on stuff. And I also, everything looks great too, just the colors in general, the fonts choices. I was wondering, I saw that they did this little anomaly up here on the illustration. You see where it has like a little bite taken out of it. And I'd be curious to know if that was pre-planned to do an anomaly in this little pattern of toasts they have, or if they did it because the way it was interacting with this metallic, kind of like their name of the product, the hazelnut cocoa toast. I wonder if they did it because if they didn't do it, it would have been cutting through the H and looking kind of weird. But I thought it was cute. I always love a little anomaly in a pattern. And yeah, so here's the back, just so you can see it. Super cute. Oh, and they also included, some little messaging up here. Join, recycle. All right, so that's this week's design shout out. I hope you have a great day, great weekend.